Hello dear friends, welcome to this video. I want to show you guys this new quantitative platform that you can actually earn money from. So as you can see, this is a live trading account that I make different withdrawals from different quantitative platform. So quickly now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can register on this new quantitative platform and earn money from it. I'm going to be making a live withdrawal from this platform because I'm doing everything right, live and direct as I'm making this video. Now this platform was just launched on the 13th of April 2024, so you could just take advantage and stack a lot of USDT for yourself. And the first thing for you to do to get registered is to click down the link in the description box of this video, and then you register using your email. You input your email login password and your security password, or you can come over here and use your mobile phone number, tap here, and then you choose your country code, input your email login password, and then your security password. For me, I already have an account. I created an account before I started and I've recharged already. So quickly let me just log in immediately, and immediately I'm going to place a withdrawal so you guys can see for ourselves. So let's log in immediately. Let's do this. Now for this platform, all you are doing here is that you are going to be staking a particular amount and you'll be earning from it, and you'll be earning a daily interest from depending on the amount you stake. Now you can just read over through this thing so you can see how much you earn, the percentage you earn. You can just still read through it for yourself. Now I'm going to be dropping the link to the official Telegram channel in the description box so you could go confirm the date it was launched yourself. So it was launched on the 13th of April. So quickly let's go straight into it now. If you want to recharge, all you just need to do, primarily before you recharge, I would like you to note that you need to know your interest so you can know how much you are willing to put in here, so you can know how to maximize your profit and also have good risk management. Now for platform as this, you have to ensure that you do these things very carefully and you don't just put everything you have. You just have to put in money that you know you can have the ability to let go. So if I want to recharge here, all I just need to do is to tap on recharge, and then I'm going to either recharge with USDT BEP20 or TRC20 network. Then I just copy the address and then I fund it. Now before you even think of recharging, you have to note come here and see how much you will be earning based on how much you recharge. For example, now I recharge 10 USDT and I'm going to be earning 2.17. So let me just place this withdrawal first while I still explain further what you need to do here on this platform. You can see how much is available right here, right? So once I'm making a withdrawal, you are going to be seeing another additional amount. This withdrawal doesn't take, it takes less than a minute, and you see everything is right here. I paste my USDT BEP20 address. You can see I'm going to cover in my details because these are actually private stuff. So let's make the withdrawal. We tap on withdraw. You see our withdrawal is actually successful. You can see it right here on the screen. So like I was saying, I'm still going to go check it, so we'll confirm it. Everybody will see it for ourselves. Now if you want to stake, you can see this is the interest I'm supposed to be earning every day. Daily is around 2 USDT daily. So for example, if you want to pledge an amount, all you just need to do is to come here, just scroll down on your screen. If you scroll down, you see like okay, I didn't show you guys how I pledge for 21 days, you understand? So it's 21 days. So don't do 30 days here, do 21 days. For example, if you say okay, you want to go in with 50 USDT, if you tap 50 USDT here and then you tap on 21, you see what you'll be earning here is around per day you'll be earning 10.5 USDT. So in the next 7 days, you have already recovered your investment, you understand? So this platform is supposed to last for like 30 days or more, but in order for you to just have a good risk management plan, in less than 7 days you should be making your primary capital and a good return of investment. So if you are using like 50 USDT or more, or you are using the same amount that I use, you just do your calculation here, just see your interest rate and you see what you earn. So in 21 days, if you use 50 USDT, maybe at the end of the day, after making this video, I'm going to just still add more and increase what I'm staking. So at the end of 28 days, this is what I'm supposed to be earning out of my 50 USDT. So I'm just starting with 10 USDT for now for this video. So later on, I might choose to increase what I earn so that I can just make a good profit out of this immediately. So remember, we'll place our withdrawal. So let's see if it has arrived. I believe it has arrived. So let's check on it. So you see our withdrawal has arrived. You can see it right here, it has arrived. So that's just it, guys. Please make sure what you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Feel free to ask me whatever question that you want to ask me. You can find your way down to my Telegram channel. So the link to my Telegram channel, I'm going to be dropping it in the pinned comments of this video. It's going to be also at the description box, so you can see it for yourself, be able to access me and ask me whatever question that you have, and I'll be there to always guide you and answer you. So now, like I said, remember you are pledging for a particular amount of day, you understand? Remember, your pledging is around 21 days, so pledge for like 21 days. Do not put it above 21 days, put it 21 days so you can give you more interest, you understand? So you know what you are earning. And again, okay, If you want to contact their customer support in case you have any reason to contact them, this is the link to their customer support. All you just need to do, let me just go back to the home page. You are just going to click this icon you see here, this icon that I'm rotating on the screen. You click on it and then that's just it. You have contacted their customer support. So that's just all for now, guys. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. You stay connected to this channel so you always see different form of quantitative platform like this so you can earn from. Thank you.